How to fix Adobe Premiere cannot export. To fix this exporting error within your Adobe's Premiere application, first things first, you simply have to switch your rendering engine to software only to bypass any system graphic card crashes. First things first, go to the top menu and select the file on your desktop from the Premiere application. And then select the project settings, go to General and locate the Video Rendering and Playback section. Now you simply have to change the renderer drop-down from the Mercury Playback Engine GPU Accelerated to Mercury Playback Engine Software Only. Now you simply have to go to your Export tab and scroll to the Encoding Settings and switch the performance toggle from Hardware Encoding to Software Encoding. Once you do this, your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.